Hi, welcome back for day 15 of the Enigma Inkvent 2025 calendar. My name's Nancy, and you're watching Scathingly Brilliant Idea. Let's scratch off day 15 and see what we have. We have a platinum mixable called Pacifica Sunset. All right, let's see what that looks like. I'll start with the Christmas tree. And this does not have any shimmer in it. And it does look like an orangey red. Let's see what it looks like. It's kind of a pinky orangey red. Very pretty sunset. It looks nice against that brilliant red of the orange of the one below it. Don't remember the name right now. And I was thinking of that on that orange. I'm pretty sure I have Twisby Tangerine, and that kind of looks like it. But again, I've been so wrong on all of those. So let's go ahead and write the name down here with my glass tip pen. And my dog is up here snoring right now. This washi tape is stuck. I don't have my tweezers up here, but let's kind of see if I can lift it using this X-Acto knife. So this is platinum mixable. Did I write mixable down here? No, I just put Mendocino Twilight. I will use, what was it, California Pacifica Sunset. It'd be hard to squeeze in. Okay, so let's use the big swatch now. So if you are just partway through this series with me, I am filming this all together. Well, actually, I had to stop because the battery died on my phone, and then my battery died shortly thereafter. So it's the next morning now, and I kind of splattered that around, didn't I? But that's okay. But I'm not releasing this early, so there's not going to be any spoilers involved. I'm just taking advantage of the fact that I am on sabbatical in November, and I will be too busy back at work to really be able to enjoy the swatching. So I'm doing it now while I can. Did I clean that well enough from the last one? Let me try this again. Apparently not. That's looking really pretty. It's a little bit different. Well, it's drying down on the others. I'll show you when I'm done here. Okay, so this is, again, the Canopus paper is the winner for the fast drying, but you're sacrificing some of the shading. You got a little bit on the corner here. I'll put that up a little closer. And then this is the Tomoe River paper. It's really turning kind of into a burnt orange, isn't it? It's really pretty. I do not have anything in my collection that resembles that. So, well, other than the chicken coop. No, the chicken coop I think was closer to this. It has much more brown in it. I don't think it has as much orange in it. The Birmingham Penco. So let me look this one up for you. Okay, I'm back at the Platinum Mixable ink website home. And let me see if I can have their Sunny Yellow. Well, I don't see it as a separate color that's offered in the Mixable series. So I wonder if this is another one that they did as a custom color. I'm glad I didn't know about all of these mixable inks before, because I have enough inks to play with as it stands. But here it's drying down on that View Corona, and it's got some really nice shading going on there. All right. Well, thanks for joining me on day 15, and I will see you tomorrow for day 16.